Hello guys, welcome back in a new video. I'm Simone and today I will show you how I made this custom flip-flop. So a month ago I unfortunately broke my flip-flop and I was thinking to fix them using 3D printing. But unfortunately I was really busy with other projects and this project ended up to adding the infinity queue of projects that I have. But summer here, probably when this video will be uploaded, I will be on vacation with some of my friends and we will have a swimming pool. So I need a new pair of flip-flop and I was okay, it's time to make one. First step was to find a good top view image of a flip-flop on Google Images. Import the picture inside Fusion 360 and calibrate the picture to have the right size for your feet. Now you will need to trace the shape of it and extrude it. After a first test, I decided to extrude it for 9mm. Next step is to create a nice pattern on the bottom to have a better grip when you actually walk and make them look better. The goal of this project was to make it easy to print and free support. So the little challenge on this project was to understand the best way to make the straps to be able to print them free support. I proceed on taking a picture of the strap of my broke flip-flop and import that picture in Fusion 360 and trace them to have an initial idea of the shape. To be able to print the strap free support and then be able to lock them in the sole, I created two T-holes that will allow me to insert the end of the strap, rotate them of 90 degrees and lock it in position. I then created a circular hole in the front of the sole and I created a cylindrical shape on the front of the strap. The top part will be a bit more larger, so I will be able to lock it in the sole. Now we are ready to make a first print using Filaflex from Futura and see if the tolerance work well or we need to increase or decrease them. Like always, if you're interested in buying some filament from Futura, you will find a 15% discount code in the description. The channel will receive a little kickback if you will use my code. I end up doing a lot of testing, as you can see here, and I was really happy finally with the tolerance and how everything was working together. So now the next step is just to customize them. Probably some of you know that I received a swag box from Blizzard with some Overwatch object and product that they sell, and I opened this box live on Twitch. But unfortunately Blizzard don't make flip-flops, so I decided to make some of flip-flop from the Overwatch game, and I did another version with the logo of Futura because, you know, they are cool guys, they always support my work and I'm really happy to make a custom version for them. The suggestion on the settings to use to print them is to use a lot of brim on each part to make sure that they will not wrap during the print. What I noticed is if you use rectilinear in fill instead grid, it will make them more soft. I used around 8–9% in fill for the sole and 50% for the strap. While I'm printing this part, I want to take a second to thank all my patrons members. I really appreciate all the supports that you guys give me and let me be able to create more amazing content. If you want to find out how you can support the channel or have access at my model, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description. Like always, this is optional. Well, all the parts come out really well, so it's time to assemble them. First, insert the two ends of the strap in the T-holes and lock them in the right position. Next, push the front part of the strap inside the front hole of the sole and it's done. And now we have some amazing flip-flop that are customized and one have, like the one I have here in the background. Like always, if you guys want to print some of my model, you will find them on my Patreon. The only thing that is missing here is a test, so let's test them. I think they're really perfect and fit really well. I hope you like this video and maybe you will try to make your own version. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions. For today is everything, and remember, raise your eyebrow.